These neuron cells have decided themselves that they will become the eye, and the cells which become heart. They have been organized and performing the common function. The function of heart cannot be performed by kidneys. The function of kidneys cannot be performed by eyes. The function of eyes cannot be performed by hands. Man does not know what is inside him. So it is fundamental that you worship Allah, who created you. Allah created even those who have passed away. Have fear. Have fear of Allah. Be afraid of Allah who created you without your will. He who is able to create you without your will means he is able to do anything to you. If he has decided to punish you, then no one can save you. This is actually its meaning.
لعلكم تتقون.
Have fear of Allah.
الذي جعل لكم الأرض فراشا.
He is the one who has made the earth a place of settlement for you,
والسماء بناء.
and the sky a canopy. I can talk hours about this topic too. Only one physical properties have been discussed. I made the earth habitable. 2 earthquakes occur in the earth every second, but their amplitude is so low that if they read, the earth will be destroyed. If it increases, so earthquake made the earth habitable and controlled. He has also made it livable in the sense that he has made it a habitable material for every creature. And for the most necessary things to live life, they have kept it absolutely free, i.e., oxygen. Even water also, but man stay without it for a day at least. But without oxygen, he cannot live for 2 minutes. And the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere is controlled. Even if it is increased by hydrogen or nitrogen, we still do not have our existence. This is only one fine-tuning, but there are millions of fine-tunings in this miracle planet Earth. That is why our scientists say this planet is created by someone who says that this world was created by itself, then tell someone to copy it and make it. If someone cannot copy it and say it was by itself, there can be no more stupid comment than this. If this can't be done by someone, then how can it will be done automatically? If something done automatically, which means it can be done by someone too. All the creatures of the earth and the sky cannot produce a single seed that we sow in the soil and it became a tree which is 6 million times bigger than that. People say that there is no value in soil, but I say that gold has no value. If a seed put in a gold, it cannot become a tree. If there is no soil in this world, what we can do with gold? If there is no gold, still the world can run. Allah has placed this soil on earth. It is the most despicable thing to see. But if we sow a seed in soil, then count the size of a tree and timing of fruits, and conversion of fruits and timing of ripening of fruits, and shapes and sizes of leaves, and how water can take reaches all its leaves. A man cannot ever imagine. Leave about the tree, no one can make seed. If someone says all these things are by itself, then it is the most foolish statement. No stupid person in the world is willing to believe that ball pen happened automatically, because it is a manageable thing but not random. So he has made the earth a place of settlement for you,
والسماء بناء.
and the sky as a canopy. This got variety of meanings. Everything about the sky is got to know are very surprising because of modern science. We got to know different layers in the sky: stratosphere, troposphere, ozone layer, etc. Many rays of different amplitude measurements from the sun will come on earth, but only some will reach across the earth, and 99.99% rays repel due to layers in the sky because earth's magnetic field. And if the harmful rays come on earth, then it will cause diseases. Scientists say those places which ozone layer is affected has danger with the skin cancer. So sky is the protecting us, and it is the strongest layer too. This is the power of Allah.
وأنزل من السماء ماء.
And sends down rain from the sky.
فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم.
Causing fruits to grow as a provision for you. All these things which are basic, no human can say, but I do not have it in my mind. The Alabama Quran is for all humanity, so verses represent the common observation of the human beings, all these things. Humans who born and passed away and made earth as habitable and sky as a ceiling have made by any human? All these are observations only, humans only discover. But if he invents it, not a creation ex nihilo, but uses the creation and resources of Allah. If he continues to make a table, he has not made the wood of the table. Wood has come from nature. It isn't creation ex nihilo. But Allah created this earth out of nothing without a model. Man, who is the creator, spends in the creation of Allah. But man, he is not the one who creates without nothing or any model. We cannot say him al-Badi. So he, Allah, sends down rain from the sky, causing fruits to grow as a provision for you. How miraculous it is. Getting sustenance was not enough yet, but it has to be compatible. If you put the best of the best salad of veg in front of the lion, he will not even look at it bequeath. It is not a provision for him. And put meat in front of the goat, there is no attraction for him. He given you provision and made it compatible. I am here discussing about just food, otherwise every blessing is a provision. The most important provision is oxygen, which we inhale has been set free for all human beings, otherwise we die. There is no tax and not to buy. All are free. So Allah has given all these blessings, made earth habitat and made sky a ceiling and sends down rain, and given provision and made food cycle for us. Everything is coming from the earth. If the earth dies, every creature will perish. So Allah says, he who has done everything for you. So do not set equals with Allah, while you know that there is nothing similar to him. You know that there is nothing similar to him. These attributes are not in anyone but Allah. Tawheed is into you, so not make anyone similar to him. Tell me that after reading the Quran, in which Tawheed monotheism is mentioned at the beginning, will anyone call others? Will call dead person? He will demand things from a living person that he is not entitled to. Impossible. How basic. Just for all these blessings, I am Allah asking you for one thing.
فَلَا تَجْعَلُوا لِلَّهِ أَنْدَادًا.
So do not knowingly set up equals to Allah in worship,
وَأَنْتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ.
while you know that there is nothing similar to him.